In this video, I'll show you how to pair a controller with your Oculus Quest 1 or 2 using your smartphone. So it's very easy. All you have to do is make sure that your Oculus Quest is connected to your smartphone. So you already did this. And now you're gonna go here where it says menu on the lower right side. Tap on devices. You're gonna see your Oculus right here connected. You're going to scroll down until you see on controllers, the second option. And from here, you're going to tap on pair new controller. Here we go. It will ask if you want to pair a left controller, a right one, or a gamepad. Let's say I want a left controller. You're going to tap on it. And here it will tell you to hold this button, which is represented by the 3 lines button, this one right here, to hold it, and the Y button on your left controller. The Y controller is right over here. And then it says to then release after the light on the controller ring under the Oculus logo starts blinking and the controller vibrates. You're going to keep them both pressed. And then I guess when you feel the vibration, it means that it's paired to your Oculus Quest 1 or 2. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe or comment if this was helpful. See you in the next one.